All right, we have landed in Chicago.
Our day began at the iconic Skydeck Chicago, located in the Willis Tower, formerly known as the Sears Tower. At one point, it was the tallest building in the world. And here's the kicker. It was designed by the same architectural firm behind the Burj Khalifa in Dubai, the current record holder. It's amazing to think that this towering feat of engineering connects two of the world's most iconic skylines. Next, we hit the water for a classic Chicago architecture boat tour. If you ever want to understand the soul of the city, you need to see it from the river. From the Art Deco masterpieces to modern marvels, each building tells a story, and our guide made sure we didn't miss a single one.
You're going to see a beautiful city. In fact, I'm going to ask you at the end of the tour, do you see a beautiful city? So you say yes. And we're going to talk about some theories.
Our tour guide shares something powerful about buildings like Trump Tower in Chicago. It's designed with contextual architecture, meaning it doesn't just dominate the skyline. Instead, it steps back in levels to complement the surrounding buildings. It's like the way a man and a woman are made to complement each other, or how a lock is shaped for a key. Thoughtful design that brings harmony instead of competition.
3 patio terraces, they're called setbacks. Well, ends up they're non-arbitrary heights because they are each at the height of a neighboring building.
Next, we head over to the Museum of Science and Industry. Very cool place. It is super big.
All right, we're at the Museum of Science and Industry here.
In fact, it's one of the largest science museums in the world. And that was our Chicago trip. You know, when I travel, I don't just pick up facts, I pick up perspective. Chicago showed me that design matters, that structure shapes experience, and that beauty and grace don't just happen, they're built intentionally. The architects of this city left space on purpose. They knew that too much concrete without pause would harden people, that wide open areas, light, and thoughtful design could soften hearts and elevate the spirit. And that's what travel does. It gives us margin, space to breathe, to notice, to reset. I want to build a life like Chicago's architecture. Thoughtful, beautiful, filled with grace. A life that leaves space for rest, for people, and for love. Because if we don't stop to take in the beauty, we might just lose it. Me and more Cherie travel with love. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.